Hello everybody, I'm Juha-Vesa Jäntti from Finland. In my childhood I play ice hockey. After this I start do some gymnastics, I swimming, later I ski jumping. And I'm like a national level white coat in ski jumping in Finland. And after this I start training gym a little bit, after this little bit strongest man, and after that I'm a lifestyle must wrestler. If somebody say 1994, I'm 2018 Jakut must wrestling world championships. There's like I say problem our family. It's lots of I have to afraid see this kind of things what a child normally don't see in life. Violence, many things what change my mental and hurt my soul somehow, and there is alcohol, narcotics things, all kind of things what it's not have to be like a normal child life. And this quite long period, in 10 years I see this kind of things, and it goes worse and worse. And when I'm 16, I come home and my mom very he see things what is not real, and I have to bring she in hospital, mental hospital, and 2 years later I'm same place in mental hospital. And when I come out, I don't still believe I have some problem. I'm also learn already drinking, and I try hide it my problem only a drink, and I go deeper and deeper. And 1994 I'm again a mental hospital, and they closed me in mental hospital. I cannot out, everybody control, and nobody put even 1 penny behind me I can survive. They won't give me some medicine, everything I say I don't take nothing. Now I want to see that I can survive or no. And so I come out, and still I drinking, and this bring me in the street after this. And now we come this date what changed my life dramatically. It's it's my that day I remember. Whatever happened, I remember. It's my friend gave me one room where I can live. I wake up one morning. I don't know what's happened. Some power come inside me. It's very difficult to explain even. And there is 2 options. Did I want to continue alive, or did I want to die? And then this I take a bicycle. My mom a little bit better condition already. Also, when I drive my mom place, I say I want to survive. And after this, I go near city where is a friendship, people who don't also drink at all. This is very strong power what come inside to me, and I feel I born again. It's this kind of part my life stop and start new period. People thinking when this medicine, alcohol go away, your problem gone, but it's problem start, and you have to start solve it and study everything again, because at this first period I don't study life, brush my teeth, very simple things. I have to do everything again, start look after myself. Because nobody teach me. Of course, it's like I say already, it's very difficult this when I stop, because I have to prove people I really change. Like I say, this maybe first 5 years people don't believe I can even survive, because they see me. I live in the street, and I live in a small city. I have to earn this respect back, and it's very hard. And of course slowly I start respect because they see this crazy man start like survive and he don't take alcohol, and these things like I say it is bring me not these days already, like it's like a long period, but of course I can be my boss. Used to be alcohol and drugs and all kind of substance say what I do. Now I say what I do and what I want. I visit 2016 here. Sorry, 2014 first Master Wrestling World Championship. So after that I start practice and Master Wrestling, and I beat the sport very interesting. Sport look like basically very simple, but it's very complicated and full of secrets. And it's like some kind of mythology, or it's very interesting. And what more you do, that more you start understand, and that more you won't understand. It's not only power, it's not only like simple things you sit down and you pull and you win. There is trick, and more I understand today after these World Championships. It's more in here. When two persons sit down and they same level, basically who has a mental stronger win. It's just come 2016 World Championships, very strong feeling, I want to do this. And I ask Yakut friends how to write this. Reason why it's like a Yakut language, I think so, I have so strong friendship here. Like I really be many people in here in my real like a friend. I feel that, and I feel this friendship and a strong culture in Yakut and Yakut sport. I really feel they respect sportsmen here. It's I feel it's in my eyes sport almost higher with politics. I see this strong culture if I go out our hotel in the morning, people running inside area already 6 o'clock around, and if I go modum, people training. This is like a lifestyle here, most of people also. I don't get so warm like a friendship anywhere else. That time also already like people come after competition, take picture, hug for us. I've been this summer here, everybody helped me, and I walk in the street and people come talk to me, and now in here, after competition, I don't know, maybe 100 people come up, let's take picture, and basically I say, my wife yesterday, Nadia, it's I don't ever other place hug people, but here I all the time like hug people. It's not possible in Finland, they push me away or something, but here if I, example, if you leave here, I don't shake hand for you, I hug you when and I don't know where this come, I don't know. It's and also Yakutian, and it's Yakutian culture also, because if I go gym like yesterday, people come to me, younger people, they shake hand me, but this is not happen anymore in Europe, anywhere else. And this must be like this when older man, me or whoever comes, we have to respect old people. I feel lucky man myself. There's many like a different period in my life, but finally I feel very strong. I go very near at this moment in my dream. I really can do what I like love, and I have around me good people. And I feel safety. This is most important feeling for me, also feel like a safety. Then I like can live very open mind. But yes, I'm lucky and like a happy man, but I think so now just start this happiest part in my life, because I can I say again, but I can do really what I love, this Master Wrestling, and be around these people who do the same sport.